777. For anybody reading this, that stressful situation is almost coming to an end. The universe is sending positive energy, financial help, miracles, and life changing blessings your way. Type 777 to receive. Universe is saying to you today, everything is coming together and miracles are headed your way. You are deserving of good things, healthy love, authentic relationships. Just be ready and be grateful. Things are looking extremely bright for you. Your angels are saying today, you will manifest your desires if you stay focused, stay in alignment with the universe and your higher self, and never give up on your dreams. Your angels and guides have seen you work so hard to get to where you are today. And they want to let you know that you are endlessly and boundlessly supported and loved. Life is full of ups and downs, and they want you to know you are doing a good job passing all your tests and learning your lessons. Good things are ahead. Stay inspired. Type Amen if you believe in God.